how productive is the cough. Need to see the volume of the phlegm as well.
If it's a non-productive cough,
Dry cough.
yeah, dry cough, how do you think about it?
We need to know the nature, whether it's a 寒燥 or a 温燥. There is also a bit of phlegm. The person feels thirsty and it's a dryness in the mouth, throat very dry kind of cough. Yet there is still a lot of phlegm, that kind.
So then it's a 麦门冬汤 kind
Yeah,
of
we
formula.
can do the 麦门冬 kind of formula.
2 years ago, I was in Tokyo. Then I went into a Japanese medicine shop and I bought 麦门冬汤.
Yeah, I got it from my husband this time around. He was coughing